becoming forgetful, but there's also a spiritual dementia if you would forget these four important things. Number one, you forget who you are. You are God's child and you are His favored one. Number two, you forget where you live. It is in God's family. Number three, you forget why you exist. And number four, you forget to whom you belong. You belong to God and everything belongs to Him. We always forget, but please don't worry because God always remembers. Friends, among the four important truths mentioned, which do you intend to forget? God loves you.